Hey, little update with the installation of the roller bridge. You can see the screws in the saddle are longer because it's wider, and the saddles are no longer pinned to either the forward or the aft end of the saddle. There's space for proper intonation, giving it a little bit extra width. So I was just working on my next music video, and I finished recording it, so I wanted to just do a quick update on what this sounds like with the roller bridge and no buzzing from the saddles. Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit of a, we just do a little chorus, a little lead, solo from the song I'm doing, just a demo. This Firefly, I hoped I had been able to use this one for the song, but the humbuckers just weren't working for me, a little bit too warmish. I needed Telecaster number 3 to have the bite I was looking for. Here we go. That's good enough for now. So yes, it's quite smooth, playing very well. I can get certain amounts of tones that I want out of it without using the tone knob. But guitar amp settings and pickup height adjustments, I can thin it out a bit as I need to. And I'm beginning to appreciate and love this guitar now that it's cleaned up. For the money, as a bass guitar, with only having to really change the saddles, strings, and eventually the tuners will go at the string change. These are new, they're just put on, so we'll just wait, and it's a go. Thanks for watching.